Alright, well welcome to the Rylo testing here in downtown Clear Lake, Iowa. You can't really see it, even though it's snowy. It's about 11 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit here, so I won't stay out too long, but this gives you a pretty good idea of what the daytime quality of this is. It's early morning, so the sun is kind of off in front of me, so it's pretty bright. But yeah, I have the everyday handle here connected to a longer DJI selfie stick sort of thing, and if the software is doing everything correctly, you shouldn't be able to see that or part of my hand. I'll extend it here in a little bit and do a jogging test as well. If I'm jogging, I'm just holding it at arm's length. My arm's kind of going up and down a little bit, but you might not be able to see that. Alright, I'll extend the pole out. And now I'm holding the camera kind of at a 45-degree angle to my body, so no lens is looking directly at me. I'm at the bottom quarter of the back-facing lens, of the lens facing me, walking down by the lake here. I don't know if you can see a stitch line or not, but the stitch line shouldn't be very prominent. They should be pretty good with that already. Wow, it is cold out. Alright, now I'm going to jog with the longer stick here, and we'll see if there's any shake. I'm going to head back toward the truck because it's pretty cold. Oh. Wow. I'd say this pole is probably about 3 feet long, plus a little bit of my arm length, so you're probably going to see my entire body since this does have a 208 field of view on either lens, so it gets everything. Alright, I'm going to take it back to the truck, mount it to the window, and we're going to go drive around for a little bit.